Planet Earth, a place we call our home. Over 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water. It moves through oceans, rivers, clouds, and even living things. A continuous cycle that keeps our planet alive. Yet almost 97% of all that water is salty, locked in the oceans. Only a tiny 3% is fresh, and most of it is frozen in glaciers or hidden deep underground. From the deepest ocean to a single raindrop, water connects all life on Earth. Above the water lies the sky, a thin layer of gases that surrounds our planet like a shield. It may look endless, but nearly all the air we breathe is within just 10 kilometers of the ground. This layer, called the atmosphere, is made mostly of nitrogen and oxygen. The sky isn't blue because of color, it's light. Sunlight scatters in the atmosphere, and blue light spreads more than any other color. That's why our planet wears a blue crown from space. The big yellow ball we see in the sky is the sun, a massive star made of burning gas. It's mostly hydrogen and helium. Deep inside, atoms fuse together in a process called nuclear fusion, releasing enormous amounts of energy. Light and heat travel 150 million kilometers through space to reach Earth. Without the sun, there would be no warmth, no weather, and no life. Beneath the sky, the land rises, forming the solid ground we call home. It holds the minerals that build our cities, the soil that feeds our crops, and the fossils that tell Earth's story. Even though it feels still, the land is always changing, slowly shifting, breaking, and rebuilding itself over thousands of years. From that movement, mountains are born, great folds of Earth's crust pushed upward by the power of tectonic plates. The tallest of them all, Mount Everest, stands about 8.8 kilometers high, reaching into air too thin for most life. And yet, even Everest keeps rising, a few millimeters each year as our planet continues to move beneath our feet. And if you wonder what that big white ball in the night sky is, no, that's not the sun. That's the moon. It's Earth's only natural satellite, orbiting around us once every 27 days. The moon doesn't make its own light. It shines because it reflects the sun's. Its pull on our planet creates the tides, moving billions of tons of water every day. Without it, our nights would be darker. But look closer. The sky around it is full of stars, each one a distant sun, shining from light years away, reminding us how vast the universe really is. From water to sky, from land to stars, this is our home, planet Earth.